I have made this Jesta Pizza app for the mobile computing project, the final one. And just to give it a little bit of a rundown of what I've made here, this app essentially allows students to create their own customizable pizza and then submit that as an order for employees to then manage, as you can see here. And there's a little delineation here between those students' view controllers as well as the employees. And it should be pretty intuitive to use, but I'll let that be your decision to judge. But I'll go ahead and run it just to show you that it does in fact work. Um, so we'll let it build for a bit. All right, that build has succeeded, and we'll just need the iPhone to load. Um, all right, where is it? There it is. Okay, perfect. Usually it starts off as white for a bit for some reason, but that's okay. Just try to redo it here. But in the meantime, uh, yeah, there's code for all of this, so if you want to go through it, you're more than free to. All right, right, it's there. Let me try to make this a little bit bigger so I can see what I'm doing. Okay, yeah, this is the home screen. If we want to create an account, we will first go to the sign in page and then there's a sign up button. This does reflect a lot of what the Figma had shown. It's pretty accurate in that way, I guess. But if we want to make a person, let's see, who can we do? Um, let's do LeBron James. I will do LeBron James and we'll do LeBron James at gmail.com. And then his UTEID can be just mine. And then we'll set the password as password123, password123, and we will sign him up. All right. Once we're past that stage, we should be able to then log in as him. And there is error handling that does occur. So if you want to test that out on that page, you're more than free to. If I wanted to do like, let's see, at, you can see that we have to fill in all the fields. Passwords don't match sometimes. That's okay. That's why we have that message. And then the email address is badly formatted. So there's error handling for that. If we want to try signing in again, we just do LeBron James at gmail.com as I had it last time. And then his password was just password123. Not very secure, so I wouldn't use that. But we can now order a pizza. If we want to do just one, we can do that. Let me do pesto and then feta cheese. And these are all the selections that you get at Jesta as well. I did my research there, so it should be accurate. If you want to delete a order, you can do that. But if not, you are more than free to just add another one. Maybe if I want to skip a sauce just to show some of the error handling there, I can do that as well. And yeah, we have to complete all the sections. So that does work pretty well. All right, great. Let's confirm that order. If we go back home and maybe want to go to order status, it's now reflected there. And now it's also part of our order history where we have the order detail in depth. If we want to reorder it, it would be added back to our shopping cart, as you can see there. And if I want to add it as part of my favorites or LeBron's favorites, it's also there too. And the same thing you can see there order detail wise. Now, if you want to change any of the things here in settings, we can do this. Maybe we want to do Bronny James. And we'll just keep the same password. If we want to turn it dark or blue, we can do that. But let's save that. Okay. And you can see the blue tint that was just on that show alert. And this delete account thing does work, by the way. So we'll try to do that at the end. In any case, we have our order. So maybe we want to actually update that status as an employee. we'll just say we're LeBron James again at gmail.com, and we have the same password of password123. But now uh we've motivated ourselves to join as an employee. Um, and we are now our son as well. So welcome, Bronny. Let's go manage some orders. And if we go all the way to the bottom, we can see our latest order. That's exactly what I ordered. And if I want to say it's in progress or complete, you just use the segment controller there and then save it. Let's save that. And I kind of do not like dark mode on this, so we'll just go back to what it normally was. All right, let's sign back out, and then we'll log back in as a student. Okay, great. And we are now in. Our order status has been updated as in progress, and they're currently making our pizza, which is wonderful. Um, and it is also updated here. If we want to also do something with the order status, maybe you think it's not being updated as accurately as it should be. Say we instead want a barbecue 5 cheese blend bell pepper pizza. Not the best choice, but it's one that exists. Um, so we'll just go ahead and delete these old pizzas. I'll confirm the order. And it isn't there now. It's the most recent one. But say I just don't like Jesta pizza anymore and I'm tired of going here and I want to save money. If I'm tired, I'll just delete my account and the account has been deleted. It will reflect that if you sign back out and then you try to sign back in, where I should not be able to log back in after this. Um, Password. And there we go. There's your error, and now you cannot sign back in. But yeah, this is a pretty intuitive app. I think there are credentials that I included for a sample user ID. If for some reason you can't log in, just use the sign up button. It should work. And yeah, that's about all I have here. But hopefully this was comprehensive enough to cover a good chunk of the bases. Thank you so much.